to the YouTube video today. Today it's a little bloody. It just happened and it's like blood all over my phone, and I wiped it off a bit on the ceiling. But guys, basically what happened was I was sneezing so much today that blood, yep, as you can see, blood just started pouring out of my nose. Yes, and hold up, I'll try to get some on this tissue. Hold up, let's get a fresh piece of tissue. As you guys can see, fresh, and try to prove to you. I don't know if there's more, but I tried to get all of it out. But yeah, there's definitely more to come. See? It's just literally. So yeah, guys. So my left, or what this nostril right here specifically is starting to hurt, but like not badly, but just out of nowhere. I think it's from me sneezing, and as you guys can see, I have to clean the sink out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know, oh my god, there's water. Well, I do not know if you guys can see that, but you guys can obviously see there's blood along the bathroom. But if you guys didn't see that, well then, try your best. Because I'm using the selfie camera to record myself. So guys, I was just here in the bathroom, just about to take a poop, which I was doing it after I got in. I sneezed, right? And when I sneezed, a entire bunch of blood came out of my mouth. So I don't know what happened there, but a bunch of blood came out of my mouth. So yeah, so that's what happened, and yeah. So I'm just gonna let my nose clog back up the next time, and then. Sorry, tell me wrong. Mine stopped.
Okay. I'm glad because it will, if you're gonna do that, you gotta hold your head right. You've been sneezing a lot and it's been dry. The air is real dry.
Oh, there you have it, y'all. There you have it. Blood came out of my nose. And I feel like this is like the time when people start getting their nose clogged up. Oh, I'm watching American Ninja Warrior, as you guys can see. So, yeah, and I don't know if I should post this video, but I have to post it. I don't know. I should post it and see if like my YouTubers and fans want to remove me. So guys, I've been just making videos. Feel like I should make this video, and yeah, guys. So basically, that's what I want to tell you guys. Just stay safe to the next one, and peace. I'll see you.